All right, question 2, the graph of y equals x squared is shown below. Use your observations from problem number 1 to make a sketch of the equations without making a table. All right, so one other thing I want to show you guys here is this value in front of the x. It's also going to be the next point. So if we start at 0, 0, and what number's in front of that x? It's 1. What number's in front of the x? It's 2. What number's in front of the x? It's 1/2. So when we're making these graphs, you always know the next point is going to be that number in front of the x squared. So here we've got the graph of y equals x squared. Now we want to graph y equals 3x squared. We know that next point is going to be the number in front of the x. So it'll be 1, 3. Remember, these are symmetrical, so if it's 1, 3, then it's also negative 1, 3. So we can graph the parabola. So remember, a whole number makes it skinny. Okay, makes it more narrow. And a fraction makes it wider. Okay? So this one's just going to be the negative form. So once again, it's going to be the number in front of that negative 3, or in front of the x squared. So 1, I go down 3. Negative 1, I go down 3. So my sketch is going to look like this. This is y1. This is y2. And then my last one, 1/3. So I'm going to go over 1 and then up 1/3. We always go up what number's in front of the x. So negative 1, 1/3. And you can tell that one's going to be a lot wider. All right, and that is y3. So what effect does multiplying the equation of a parabola by a constant have on the graph? So whole number, like in this example here, is going to make it narrower. A fraction is going to make it wider. And a negative is going to flip it. Makes it go upside down. All right, hopefully you guys are good with that. If you do have any other questions, we will talk more about it tomorrow. Once again, we're not going to do the back of 7.7 today. So we're just going to flip over and we're going to start on 7.8.